We're making our favorite dessert, mango cake. You got some flour. Oh my gosh. Let me put the water. Let me put the water.
Yeah, I'm gonna whisk it.
Oh,
Raising the
stop! What are you doing? Let me know. Let me know.
No! It's done.
What?
I'm done with my banana. Let's bake first.
We're gonna go and bake. Let's go. Help me go start. Now our cake has baked. We're gonna poke holes into it. While my brother's poking holes, I'm gonna be making the milk mixture. We're gonna use 3 types of milk: condensed milk, evaporated milk, and regular milk. Then we're gonna add some whipping cream and my mom's favorite, mango puree. We love mango puree, but my brother keeps eating it. Mixy mix mix. Silk's always trying to add something and eating something. I'm just gonna taste it a little before my mom knows.
What did you say?
Tastes good. Just a little bit more mango puree. Yum. One more time testing.
Yes, that's
More. It's perfect. Now we're just gonna pour our milk mixture onto the cake so it absorbs it. Put it in the fridge for 8 to 10 hours. After 8 and 10 hours, now our cake is ready for icing. Now we're gonna do the icing.
Where are you going?
1 minute. Are you sure you can do this, Yo?
Yeah.
Perfect. Add a little bit if you have too much. हमको मास्टर शेफ का अवार्ड मिलेगा.
Where is it?
Come, your surprise is ready.
This is a surprise for
Come
you.
quick.
This is a surprise for you.
Wow, such a beautiful cake.
Thank
किसने बनाया? मैंने बनाया.
you. We used your recipe and your favorite ingredient, mangoes. Me and you made it together.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. मैंने बनाया. मैंने बनाया.
नहीं.
हाँ, मैंने
हमने
बनाया.
बनाया.
मैंने बनाया.
You don't eat that much.
It's Mother's Day.
Yes. God.
What?
Oh, so good.
These are icy.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
मैं तब
It's really tasty. You have to try it.